This homemade chicken wrap is simply delicious and easy to make. So sit back and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to pan fry my chicken. I added little amount of vegetable oil in a pan, allow it to heat up, transfer the marinated chicken and allow it to pan fry for 6 to 8 minutes or until done. I'm using chicken thighs. You may also use chicken breast. I find chicken thighs more juicy than breast. Next, I'll boil my chicken sausage. You may also pan fry it if you prefer. In a boiling water, I will transfer the sausages and allow it to come to a boil. Once that is done, I will take it out of the water and set aside for later use. At this time, the chicken is ready and I've gone ahead to cut my vegetables, cabbage, carrots and cucumber. I'll proceed by adding my salad cream. You may also use mayonnaise. I will mix well to combine and set aside. The next step is to assemble it. First I will add the salad, chicken and the sausage. And for more creaminess, I will add mayonnaise and ketchup. I will gently fold and continue the process until I am done. And the last step is to warm it up and serve with any drink of your choice, and we are done. Very simple. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!